Salesforce's Agentforce, launched in late 2024, promised to revolutionize CRM automation with autonomous AI agents capable of handling everything from lead qualification to customer support. Yet, despite the hype, adoption has been slower than expected. Not great news for Salesforce. As of mid-2025, only 8,000 deals had been signed. So what's holding companies back? And what are the best alternatives? Let's dive into the concerns around Agentforce and explore the top alternative contenders. And a big thank you to Flowsome for sponsoring this video. Let's go. Agentforce has some powerful capabilities, that much we already know, but it is experiencing several hurdles that organizations report are making them hesitant to buy. These are 1. Data control and accuracy concerns. Agentforce's AI agents operate autonomously, for instance, AI sales development rep agents. This raises red flags for companies with sensitive or complex Salesforce orgs. AI hallucinations, where agents generate inaccurate outputs, are a serious concern. Without clean, well-structured data, Agentforce may produce flawed results, leading to costly errors. And we know no one wants that. 2. Integration complexity. Despite Salesforce's messaging on how easy it is to get Agentforce up and running, it isn't plug and play for every business. Agentforce implementations require specialized knowledge. Your admin or consultant needs to understand what's needed to build, test, and maintain your Agentforce agents. Companies with unique workflows or third-party integrations will encounter additional challenges. And rolling out requires planning and coordination to minimize the downtime for retraining. This may not be what you're looking for with a technology that promises to make things more efficient. Speaking of integrations and managing workflows, if you are looking for a more intuitive way to view and manage your flows and deployments, then you'll love Flowsome. There's a reason risk and governance leaders choose Flowsome, including guaranteed data protection, lowered compliance costs, and generally a solid peace of mind thanks to the native security automation. It's all on Salesforce, making your processes smoother than ever because nobody wants a security headache. Read more about how you can protect your org against phishing attacks through both self-help and Flowsome, if you want, at www.salesforceben.com/goflow, linked at the top of the description. AI adoption can stir anxiety around job security. While Agentforce can automate repetitive tasks, companies worry about sidelining employees who've invested in Salesforce certifications and training. Ironically, when implemented correctly, Agentforce can actually empower employees to focus on strategic, creative work, according to Salesforce. Agentforce's initial pricing model was rigid and confusing, which is why Salesforce had to make a change. Although Salesforce introduced the more flexible Flex Credit system in May 2025, many companies remain cautious. The summer 2025 pricing updates add another layer of uncertainty, especially right after companies were beginning to get the hang of the latest pricing model. In industries like healthcare or finance, human interaction is crucial. AI agents may struggle with sensitive or nuanced customer interactions, prompting concerns about deteriorating service quality, especially in an area where customers are hesitant to fully embrace AI. If Agentforce isn't the right fit, there's no shortage of powerful alternatives. Because we value transparency on the channel, here are some top contenders, each with its own strengths and trade-offs. GPT Bots. GPT Bots offers an enterprise-grade AI agent platform that delivers end-to-end AI solutions for businesses. It enables users to integrate AI into various workflows, including customer service and data analytics. This no-code AI development platform features a drag-and-drop interface, allowing for quick creation and deployment of AI agents without requiring technical skills or coding knowledge. It's best for enterprise-wide AI automation and has key features such as its no-code builder, drag-and-drop interface, and wide tool integration with some of the biggest names, including Google Drive and Notion. However, it does have a steep learning curve. Even with its no-code platform, most users will need some time to master all of the tool's features. Not only that, but the tool can range from $159 to $1,799 per month, depending on your business requirements and use cases. A massive drawback for some companies, for sure. Then there's HubSpot Breeze, and some sources say this is actually the closest solution to Agentforce. It's not just an AI agent builder for your HubSpot workspace, though. Instead, it's a collection of multiple AI tools you'll find throughout HubSpot's various products. Now, this tool is, of course, going to be easier to navigate if you already work with HubSpot, but it is suitable for a variety of businesses. If you want AI agents, it's got it. If you're after CRM enrichment, then it can help you with that, and it's all powered by the main platform. However, the main difference between Salesforce and HubSpot is that HubSpot is much less customizable. This means that enterprise-level businesses with the resources to tailor AI agents to their specific requirements might find that the tool doesn't meet their needs. It can also be expensive. While you can start using it for free, getting access to any advanced features requires a paid plan. But we would argue that this is to be expected with any top-of-the-range tool. And then there's Zendesk Support Suite. This suite of tools provides businesses with customer support options, including through email, social media, voice, and mobile phone, with complete data reporting, trustee certification, and 90+ integrations. It also has AI agent functionality, unlocking a new world of customer service options. Users have cited it as being easy to use and good at meeting specific business requirements. However, some users have also said that reaching ROI takes a while, but plans start at $19 per user per month, which is much cheaper than other competitors. With the right team and expertise, the sky is the limit. Between the different public cloud providers, you can pick your model, either proprietary via API or open source open weights. Most even have their own governance model. But remember, in this instance, you're potentially taking on all the risk, implementation work, model fine-tuning, and orchestration. You'd be well advised to completely understand the total cost of ownership before embarking on this path. With so many AI agent platforms vying for attention in 2025, choosing the right one comes down to a few key factors. 1, your tech stack. If you're deeply embedded in Salesforce, Agentforce offers native integration that's hard to beat. But if you rely on tools like HubSpot, Notion, or Asana, then look for a platform that you can integrate with these. 2, use case specificity. Are you automating customer support, marketing, or internal workflows? Choose a tool that's purpose-built for your primary use case. 3, team expertise. Some platforms require technical know-how, while others are designed for non-technical users. Pick the right one for the expertise of your team. 4, budget and scalability. Consider not just the monthly cost, but how pricing scales with usage. Agentforce's flex credit model may work well for enterprise teams with predictable workloads, but that might not be the best for your team. If you're still finding yourself circling back to Agentforce, then it might just be the right fit for you, especially if you're already using Salesforce extensively and want the native automation and you want to stay within the Salesforce ecosystem for compliance, security, or governance reasons. If you're still experimenting with AI or need broader tool compatibility, consider starting with a more flexible alternative and revisiting Agentforce once your data and workflows are AI ready. Agentforce is undeniably powerful, especially for companies deeply embedded in the Salesforce ecosystem. But its limitations, data risks, integration complexity, pricing ambiguity, and narrow use cases mean it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you're ready to embrace Agentforce or exploring other key paths, the key is to align your AI strategy with your business goals, tech stack, and team capabilities.